Today we're making burrito bowls. Yeah, we're making burrito bowls so good that King Kong ain't got nothing on me. Everyday cooking, dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, we got a lot of ingredients, but real quick, everything will be listed below. We got our salt, our chili powder, our cumin, our all-purpose seasoning, avocados, limes, chicken, cilantro, tomatoes, onion. All right, guys, so for our seasoning, we just got equal amounts. I used a tablespoon, so I have a little left over. So we got our chili powder, cumin, our all-purpose seasoning, salt, pepper, and our dried oregano. Guys, give this acyl a shot. Give it a try. I'll leave a link down below. That all-purpose seasoning is pretty damn good. So now we're gonna go ahead and prep our Pico de Gallo. That's gonna be tomatoes, onions, cilantro. And I'm using Roma tomatoes. They're less juicy. The other tomatoes may be a little too wet. You want your Pico de Gallo to be a little, dry, not runny. So I'm just using a regular yellow onion. And I'm only gonna use about half of it. And our size is about this size. If you can make your Pico de Gallo, an hour or two ahead, let those flavors come together, that'd be great. But we don't, because we're making this and we're gonna cook right after. So here's our Pico de Gallo, and we're gonna give this a quick stir. And then we just gotta go ahead and put our cilantro in. I'm not gonna put too much, just a little. You want kind of almost equal proportions, but just a little less cilantro. That's just the way I like it. Give that a little punch up and a nice little chop. All right, so once we got this all together, we're gonna go ahead and give it a nice little stir. And there you go, Pico de Gallo, easy schmeezy. So we took our chili peppers in adobo sauce with a little bit of olive oil, and we mixed it with our seasoning, and we threw it in the blender real quick. And now we're gonna take that mixture and we're gonna put it in with our boneless chicken thighs. I'm doing this right away, but I'm pretty sure if you let this sit overnight, that probably was seasoned up real good. But go ahead, give that a nice little massage, get that everywhere, and probably let it sit for at least like 5 minutes. That's what I did. I waited about 5 minutes. It's a good opportunity to go wash some dishes, clean up the kitchen before you start really cooking. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and then do our avocado. Now, this wasn't the most ripe avocado, but I had to have something. I had to grab what they had there in the store, and this one did not want to cooperate with me at all. Now, I'm going to leave this in the video. I could have just cut ahead, but have you ever had this happen? You go to get that avocado out of there, and it just doesn't want to come. Don't want to cut yourself. So this is what I did. I'm not gonna pretend I'm like Gordon Ramsay here. Bang, get out of there. It broke in half. Guys, difficult day. Just be careful. You don't want to cut yourself. Now, if anybody's got a solution out there on how to get that out of there, please hit me up in the comments. Come on. Do it. Finally. And then there was like a little skin left back. And to get that out of there. Alright, so boom. I guess I just probably have to pick a little bit softer avocados. It'll probably be a lot easier. The next one was a lot easier than this one. So I have this pastry thing because they're not the softest avocados in the world. So I'm gonna go ahead and mash them up with this. It's real world cooking, guys. This is what we doing here. Just getting the dinner out. So we take our lime and we just give it a nice roll. Break up the juices inside. And we're just gonna use half this lime. It helps keep the avocado from turning brown. But I'm also gonna put a piece of plastic wrap over top of the avocado to help keep it going brown. And I do like my avocado a little chunky, not creamy. All right, so that's done. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of garlic, granulated garlic. I'm just doing this by eye. And some salt. Because I like to keep my avocado simple. And some black pepper. And that's it. That's all you really need. You can go ham and put a whole bunch of seasonings in there, but I like it just like this. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and take this and put it on the side. And we're going to get our lettuce. Now use your favorite lettuce that you like. It's got to be chopped nice and thin. And now for us, you know, everybody gets their own lime on their plate. All right, so now we got a nice hot pan. Got a nice hot pan. Get that Maillard reaction going. So we're almost 400 degrees, 379. So down with some avocado oil. And then we get our chicken in. Guys, this is easy. This is the nice and easy part. And that adobo sauce, ooh, that smells so good. This makes all the difference in the world, that adobo sauce. So we're gonna cook this for about 3 minutes. All right, look at that. Nice, we're getting some color on it. Not too much didn't stick. All right, so we're gonna let this sit. We're gonna let this go a few more minutes. All right, guys, we're getting there. We're getting really close. Guys, you know those little burnt on pieces? That is just good eating. All right, so now we're 9 minutes in. This chicken is done. All right, so quick recap. We went and got our chicken thighs. We deboned it ourselves, pulled the skin. We seasoned them up in adobo sauce, let that sit for about 5-10 minutes. Guys, and this is what we got. There's no need to order Uber Eats. There's no need to run to the fast food spot to get a burrito bowl. Do it yourself, so easy. All right, so let's plate this up. We got some yellow rice, and this is just regular boxed yellow rice, nothing special. 2 cups of water and the rice. Let it boil and then simmer. So now down with our chicken. Guys, that chicken tastes good the next day. That's good for lunch. And down we go with our black beans. Guys, that's right out of the can, nothing special. Again, this is dinner. We're just trying to get this out. Our Pico de Gallo. And then you know what else you gotta have. You gotta have some avocado. That on the side. And then down with some sour cream. And guys, you got a burrito bowl that'll take down King Kong. Guys, give us a like. Give us a subscribe. It doesn't cost much, but it helps us out a lot. And guys, this is good. Everyday cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Check out some of these other videos and let's get cooking.